Hello friends, in previous video we have discussed about clause, its definition and main clause, subordinate clause. After that, how to identify main clause, how to identify subordinate clause. Main clause is called independent clause also, and subordinate clause is called dependent clause also. After that, we have discussed that subordinate clause is divided into three types. First one, adverb clause, adjective clause and noun clause. Then we started and we discussed about adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place and adverb clause of reason. So in today's session we will discuss about remaining types of adverb clause. So today's session we will start with the adverb clause of purpose. So here adverb clause of purpose. This is fourth type of adverb clause, and we will see how to identify adverb clause of purpose from the sentences. So adverb clause is introduced by adverb clause is introduced. Which adverb clause? This adverb clause of purpose. We are talking about this adverb clause. It is introduced by so that and in order that. Here we have these two conjunctions, and if we find so that and in order that in the sentence, then the type of adverb clause is adverb clause of purpose. How to identify adverb clause of purpose? It's very simple, as I have written on the board, that if we find in the sentence there is a so that and in order that, in some cases in such a manner also it is used, in case also it is used, so but not, it is not common. The word in case, it is not generally used. You have to focus on so that and in order that only. So purpose, whenever we do any action, so behind doing those actions we have some kind of purpose. Without purpose we don't do any kind of actions. Now for uploading video contents, for teaching you through this YouTube, there is a purpose. The purpose behind it, what? It should not hammer, it should not you should not face any kind of difficulties for learning. It's very important here as far as your career is concerned. So we are trying to keep you in the flow of learning. So uploading video, this is our action, but behind that action, purpose is what? We have to keep every student in the flow of learning. This is our purpose behind doing that action. So same such kind of purposes are there, and whatever sentences are expressing or is telling about the purpose of action, those sentences are part of that adverb clause of purpose only. We'll have some examples. Look at the examples now. First example, they set out very early. They set out very early in order that they could reach their village. They could reach their village before sunset. Before sunset. This sentence, it seems very large sentence, but if we find out main clause and subordinate clause. Now main clause, it has been started with they set out very early. This is our main clause, and what is written here, adverb clause of purpose, is introduced by so that and in order that. So that it is not there in the sentence, but this in order that it is available in the sentence. So our adverb clause of purpose is very easy to identify. In order that they could reach their village before sunset. This is our adverb clause of purpose. Now, which action these people have done? They set out very early. Why? There is person behind doing that action. Purpose behind doing that action. Which kind of purpose? They want to reach their village before sunset. This is the purpose. And for that purpose, they did that action. And which word is introducing that there is purpose behind that? In order that. So it's very easy to identify. One more example we will have of so that. The child went to the chair so that the old man could bless him. Now the next sentence is the child went to the chair so that the old man could bless him. Now this is main clause. The sentence, the part of sentence which is written in the box, the child went to the chair. This is our main clause, and in this sentence adverb clause of purpose is introduced with so that the old man could bless him. This is our adverb clause, and the type of adverb clause is adverb clause of purpose. One more example let me give you. They left the door open in order that he could hear the baby. One more time, I will repeat that example. They left the door open in order that he could hear the baby. Means in order that, from the sentence, that part of the sentence, in order that is our adverb clause, and they left the door open, this is our main clause of the sentence. So we'll move towards the next type of clause. Next type of adverb clause, that is adverb clause of result. And how this could be identified, then I will write down here. The adverb clause of result is introduced. The adverb clause of result is introduced by that and or else so that or else so that. The adverb clause of result expresses the result of some action. As I have been telling you again and again, whatever types of adverb clauses are there are 9 types of adverb clauses. Each type of adverb clause, it will give us more information about action which is mentioned in main clause. Now here in adverb clause of result, there may be any kind of result of that action. Before that we discussed about purpose of the action. Before that reason of the action. Then we discussed about place of the action, time of the action. Then these kind of adverb clauses, they are giving more information about the verb only, isn't it? So keep in your mind, adverb clause of result always shows that there something result, it is used for showing the result of the action. How? Let's find out from some examples. The man was so tall that they had to make special cabin. They had to make special cabin for him. They had to make special cabin for him. Now here in this sentence, the people made special cabin, but why they made? The result of this main clause, man was so tall. Man was tall. That's why then they had to make special cabin for him. The result of his height, due to his height, isn't it? So they made a special cabin for him. One more example we will have. The thief. This is first example. Second example. The thief was so cunning that no one could identify him. The thief was so cunning, and because of that reason, that result of that his cunningness, what is the reason? That no one could identify him. Getting? The Taj Mahal was built in such a manner that it stands even today. Result, we can visit Taj Mahal not today as government gives us permission, but today also it is standing with that particular thing. But result, we got result of that past action. It was built. So result is now also we can see the Taj Mahal. The painting was so beautiful that everyone admired it. One more time I will repeat that sentence. The painting was so beautiful that everyone admired it. Everyone admired. Admiration, this is the result of the Painting was very beautiful. People watched that painting and then result they declare. As we take exams and then results are declared. So it gives information about result of the particular action. We will discuss next type of adverb clause. Next type of adverb clause is adverb clause of condition. This is also very easy. Adverb clause of condition. Now you just write it down, how to introduce this adverb clause of condition. This adverb clause of condition is introduced by the subordinating conjunctions like if and unless. Adverb clause of condition is introduced by the subordinating conjunctions if or unless. Then the clause suggests a condition for an action to take place. The clause suggests a condition for an action to take place. The action mentioned in the main clause means what? Let me explain it. We know very well there are two types of clause, main clause and subordinate clause. So whatever action is mentioned in the main clause, so for that kind of condition subordinate clause is used. It suggests condition for that particular action. Now let us have some examples. This adverb clause of condition, you might have gotten an idea. This is introduced by if or unless, and the words if and unless, they show condition. Example, the crops will fail. First example, the crops will fail unless it rains. This week. So there is condition. The action which is mentioned in the main clause, action is mentioned that crops will fail, but there is condition for that. Which kind of condition? Unless it rains this week. Unless it rains this week. This is the conditional clause. Next example we will have, she will get first class if she studies. So if she studies, this is our adverb clause of condition, and the main clause, she will get first class. One more example, unless you explain the crime, you will be punished. Whatever situation is there, unless you explain about that situation, you will be punished. For that, you have to explain. Should it happen again, she alone will be held responsible. Should it happen again, she alone will be held responsible. So, if war breaks, one more example, if war breaks out, let me write down that example. If war breaks out, no city in the world So if war breaks out, this is our subordinate clause. If war breaks out, there is condition. No city in the world will be safe. This is our main clause. So next type of clause we will discuss. We discussed about condition. Now we will discuss about adverb clause of manner. Adverb clause of manner. So this adverb clause of manner, this clause is introduced. This clause is introduced by the relative adverb. The relative adverb as. The relative adverb as. So, friends, actually, manner of the action is mentioned in all the type of adverb clauses, but this is separate. How to identify it? Relative adverb is used, which as. Let's have some examples. They may do work. First example. They may do work as they get time. As they get time. They may do work. This is our main clause. As they get time. This is our adverb clause of manner. Isn't it? So manner of that action, they are doing work. It is like how they will do work. So as they get time, they complete their work. Second example, the story ended as I had guessed. It is not guessed, guessed, guessed. The story ended as I guessed. So, as I guessed, this is our adverb clause of manner. One more example we will have. The children worked as the slaves worked in the olden times. Means child labors. We know very well. Now there is act in our country, but before some years, so we could say that, let me write down that example. The children worked as the slaves worked in olden times. The children worked as the slaves worked in olden times. So in every sentence, they may do work as they get time. The story ended as I had guessed. The children worked as the slaves worked in the olden times. So it is very easy to identify adverb clause of manner. Why it is easy? Because we could find out relative adverb, and that relative adverb is as, isn't it? So next type of adverb clause we will discuss. Next type of adverb clause is adverb clause of comparison. It is very simple, friends. Everybody knows adverb clause of comparison. It's very simple because it is introduced by than, isn't it? In Degrees of comparison we have already discussed. When we compare someone or something, isn't it? So that time we use than in comparative degree, and those comparative degree sentences are only called adverb clause of comparison, isn't it? Let me give you some examples. Ashok is more clever than Asmita. Ashok is more clever than Asmita. One more example. My younger brother is taller than I am. Here we can add er also, cleverer, but the rule is told that whenever one syllable adjectives are there, one syllable adjectives, then we have to add er or est for making it comparative and superlative. But here clever, it is also some people cleverer, we can say that also, that is also correct. Next is he is not, let me give you an example. He is not as stupid as we think. Is not as stupid as we think it to be. He is not as stupid as we think it to be. So this is also comparison. He's compared that particular thing. Then this adverb clause of comparison, it may be than or as. It sometimes as or else than is used. Most of the time only than is used for showing that adverb clause of comparison. Now we will discuss last type of adverb clause. Last type of adverb clause we will discuss, that is adverb clause of concession. Adverb clause of concession. So adverb clause of concession, this clause is introduced by although or though or even if. Let me give you some examples. See how to identify this adverb clause of concession. This clause is introduced by although, though or even if. If you find in the sentence out of these three words, so that type of clause is what? Adverb clause of concession. For example, let me give you example. He played for the nation. Although he was unwell. So in this sentence, he played for the nation. This is our main clause, isn't it? And in that main clause, we added subordinate clause of adverb clause of concession by adding although he was unwell. One more example, let me give you. he was a man of great courage. He was a man of great courage, though he had no physical strength. He had no physical strength. So, in this sentence, he was a man of great courage, though he had no physical strength. In this sentence, we added subordinate clause by the word that is though, and though he had no physical strength, this is our adverb clause of concession. Friends, adverb clause of concession, it is identified, or else how to identify it? Although, though, or else even if. One more example of even if, let me give you. He would not mind even if they rejected him to be a part of a team. Let me revise that example. He would not mind even if they rejected him to be a part of team. So, even if, though, and although, these three words, they introduce adverb clause of concession. So, in this session, we discussed about different types of adverb clause. We discussed, and I have given some examples also. Homework for you. Homework for you is what? Whatever examples I have given, the same examples of every type of adverb clause you have to write down. Means, for example, adverb clause of time. You have to write down 2 examples of adverb clause of time. I have given already I have given how to identify, how to add in that session. So for today we will stop here. Thank you very much. Please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.